Good morning to you all. I'm very pleased to participate in this meeting of the UN Group of Friends to Eliminate Hepatitis. In Portugal, liver diseases, including of course comorbidities as excessive alcohol consumption and fatty liver, is one of the most important causes of early mortality. If we have these liver diseases, those deaths caused by liver cirrhosis and those related with hepatic cancer, we have the fourth leading cause of death. That's because of that we get so much importance to the fight against hepatitis, which are very important in that context. We are doing more and more tests to hepatitis B and hepatitis C, and our goal is to assure that everybody, when has a contact with the health sector, has the opportunity to have a test, with the main objective that assure that everyone will do a test at least once in the lifespan. That's very important because we are dealing with a number of people that is essential to get there to achieve eradication of hepatitis C and B. Our work is internationally recognized, but we are aware that we have a lot of things to do. We want to assure our commitment to meet the goals defined by WHO for 2030, to improve the knowledge of the epidemiological distribution pattern and the integrated response of viral hepatitis in Portugal, aware of the problems of the small groups which must be attained to get that objective, people incarcerated, people who use drugs, people in very poor living conditions as homelessness people. We are working hardly to meet these people. Improve the literacy of the general population concerning viral hepatitis. This issue has already been debated today, is very important. From the perspective of a more global framework of hepatitis, namely as oncogenic entities, leading to early mortality aggravated by less healthy lifestyles. We must speak about that and give people literacy about that if we want that people is engaged in the idea of eradicating hepatitis as cancer or HIV or other diseases. Train health professionals on viral hepatitis in its global dimension, namely the reduction of the risk of progression to liver cirrhosis and hepatocellular carcinoma. Promote hepatitis B vaccination for the adult population, and improve the awareness and knowledge about treatment of hepatitis B and C in Portugal. And of course, promote immediate access to hepatitis C treatment at the time of medical prescription. Of course, it's amazing the progress that we have achieved and that was shared in this meeting due to progress in scientific knowledge. Thank you, Dr. Harvey Halter, about your magnific work, because of political commitment and because of solidarity. But at the same time, we have an immense amount of work to do. And that's because of that I urge you to get to Lisbon in April 2024 to the World Hepatitis Summit. Thank you very much.